A meditation moment can be done anytime, anywhere. It can help you resolve stress, refresh your whole being, and renew your intuitive flow. When you choose to create a meditation moment, you can quickly reset your autonomic nervous system and shift out of a stressful state of fear, fight, flight, or freeze, and back to calm, confident, and capable. Practicing meditation moments gives you the immediate power to step out of reactivity and into greater resourcefulness. You are a creator. It's time to more fully tap into your power for the highest and best good. And we begin. Take a slow, deep breath. Every breath is the breath of life. Where your attention goes, your energy flows. Become aware of your own self, your own inner being. Position yourself comfortably in a safe space. If there is environmental chaos around you, your safe space is your inner being. It is possible to be aware and responsive to your surroundings and still be in your safe inner space. Reclaim the power of your inner being and place your attention on the present moment. In this way, you can flow. You can focus your energy toward a positive outcome. Breathe slowly, deeply, in and out. Be in your meditative moment. If you need to remain aware of your external environment during your meditative moment, soften your gaze. If you feel comfortable and safe, you may choose to close your eyes. Breathe deeply, in and out. This is your meditative moment. Consciously center and ground your energy. Imagine your inner being is securely connected with Mother Earth, wherever you are. In your stillness and with every movement you make, every step you take, you are connected. You are grounded. Breathe deeply in and out as you connect with Mother Earth and with your inner self in your meditative moment. Imagine your inner being grounded with Mother Earth, reaching up to the heavens in the quantum field of all creation. Remember your connection with divine love and grace. Breathe slowly, breathe deeply. Breathe the breath of life. You are one with the Creator of all that is. Harmonize all aspects of your consciousness. Knock, and the door shall be opened. Seek, and ye shall find. Ask, and it shall be given. Breathe deeply, slowly. Breathe the gift of life. Listen with your heart. Feel the truth of who you are. Allow the past to resolve. Remember, you are a powerful quantum creator. Choose to create an optimal present moment. Breathe deeply. You have the power to create from the whole of who you are. Appreciate the gift of life, of breath, of conscious awareness. Remember, you are a powerful creator, and the present moment is your most powerful creative moment. Where your attention goes, energy flows. Breathe. Breathe. Focus. Remember who you are and open your eyes. And consciously create with calm and confidence through the intuitive flow of knowing who you truly are, an eternal being experiencing a physical reality. You are everything you need to be the love you want to see in the world.